why Zach Perret from Plaid says that every company is a fintech company now. Hey guys, this is a fintech engineering channel. Don't forget to push the subscribe button before we start. So Visa acquired Plaid for more than $5 billion earlier this year. And this is one of the biggest fintech companies acquisitions in 2020. It really highlighted the central position of Plaid in fintech world. As you may know, Plaid provides APIs to link bank accounts to fintech applications and different financial services, making it a real tissue of connectivity for financial and fintech boom. And recently I watched the interview with Zach that was done by TechCrunch. And after watching for more than 1 hour of this interview, I really got the feeling that the fintech revolution is just getting started. I distilled 6 key takeaways out of this interview. The first, there is mind shift that fintech is a small company to the concept that every company is a fintech company, which basically means that all companies that interacts with their users financially should be a fintech company. And we've heard millions of times that software is eating the world. So obviously all the financial services companies, they need to provide innovative financial services and be fintech company to stay competitive. But there are more and more non-financial companies entering the space and starting to build digital financial solutions. Like for example, Airbnb. They have a fintech team of about 250 people in place. Or for example, car dealers, they are starting to build auto lending solutions. Certainly, there are lots of e-commerce platforms that are becoming a fintech platforms as well. The second, Zach believes that there is still lots of room to build new fintech products, including infrastructure things for financial world in spite of what Plaid has already built. If Zach would start new business today, he would focus on few things. The one is to provide solutions for unbanked or underbanked people in the United States and across the world. Because there are still lots of people even without a bank account. And this really indicates the large untapped total addressable market. The other thing is connected to financial literacy and financial education, to help people to learn how to manage their money, and also business processes optimization in big banks to cut the costs and minimize the fees and actually make the financial services more affordable for more people. The third, Plaid acquisition by Visa is driven by the mission of the company. And the mission of Plaid is to create the APIs ecosystem for fintech companies to let them connect to bank accounts of their clients. So there are 5 to 15 different fintech apps sitting in your phone right now, and all of them need to connect to bank accounts. And with Visa as a partner, Plaid believes they can accomplish their mission really faster. Zach has a number of metrics how to measure the progress of mission accomplishment. But he identifies this single core metric, which is actually the number of people that connected their accounts to the Plaid platform. So this metric really drives the future of Plaid. The fourth, product market fit. According to Zach, they were actually building several consumer-focused fintech applications, but they didn't have the connectivity tools to connect to bank accounts of their users. That's why they had to build these integrations to get the financial data of users by their own. And many people were actually asking if they can license the backend from them rather than using the actual end-user apps. That's why Zach decided to build the infrastructure for all the fintech products and provide the APIs to connect to bank accounts. Plaid has a strong concept of data ethics, which actually means that Plaid sees themselves as an agent for consumers to work with the bank to provide the access to the financial data in easy-to-use way. The fifth, challenges scaling the company. So Zach was always focused on the product, but hitting something like 160, 170 people, Zach understood that his product as a CEO is a company itself, not the software product. And the key driver of success for him as a CEO is to build efficient communications channels between all the team members in the company and provide the right information in the right time for everyone. And the statement that I like the most, the leaders has to empower everyone with the access to information. So Plaid uses many different tools for communication, but still Zach would love to hear from entrepreneurs who innovate with the provisioning of information within the company's circles. The sixth, to develop yourself as an entrepreneur, Zach recommends to read biographical books about builders and innovators, like for example Benjamin Franklin or Edison and others. And if you would like to listen to the full interview, so here is the link. And what I like the most, Zach is actually building the fintech ecosystem and community for fintech builders and fintech leaders. And our Fintech CTO Club and Wealth Tech Club, they're also communities for fintech builders and leaders like yourself. And if you want to join our clubs, so please use the links below, go to our website, subscribe and join our Fintech CTO Club and Wealth Tech Club. And also, if you ever used Plaid, please share your experience in comments below. Write down some of your thoughts and opinion how to use Plaid. Don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching this video and see you in the next episode of Fintech Engineering.